I have my bike running again. This is my 2000 or '01 BMW RC 1200 GL. And I have had a very big problem with the fuel pump circuit, which is now running. And that's what this amusing video is for. Don't try this at home, but that's a fuel pump testing little system that I rigged up. You can see the return fuel there spitting out. So yeah, we're 100%. Transmission works too. So again, don't ever try this at home. If this video makes it up anywhere, then that means I didn't burst into flames and die. So yeah, happy day. First time in a couple of years this girl has run. Running very well. She'll even idle.